Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how functions work in C++. Function allow the program to be modular. Function is a block of code with a name that can be called to execute. A function can be called in multiple places of the program. Each function should focus on doing one task. A program can have multiple functions. A function has a function name, a return type, and a list of parameters. You see the body of the function within the two braces. Here is an example of a function with a return statement. A procedure is a function that doesn't return anything. There's no return statement inside the function body. Main function is a special function where the C++ program starts. You can call the function within another function, for example, this and this. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.